Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss in a serious and in-depth manner the simple financial strategies that beginners can implement, especially if you want to start building savings consistently. Many people believe that saving money is only possible when income is high. In reality, the size of your income is not the main issue. The real issue is how you manage it. Without a clear financial system, no amount of money will ever feel enough. Let's break this down step by step. Understand your personal cash flow. The foundation of financial management is cash flow awareness. Cash flow refers to the movement of money coming in and going out every month. You must clearly understand your total net monthly income, where your money is being allocated, which expense categories consume the largest portion. Without proper tracking, you have no control. Record all expenses, even small ones. Financial leaks often come from repeated minor transactions, impulse purchases, unused subscriptions, or uncontrolled lifestyle spending. Cash flow awareness is the foundation before discussing savings. Apply the pay yourself first principle. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is saving whatever is left over. This method rarely works. The correct strategy is to set aside savings immediately after receiving your income. Ideally, 10% to 20% of your earnings. If that feels too high at the moment, start with 5%, but remain consistent. Practically, you can. Open a separate savings account. Activate automatic transfers on payday. Automation removes emotional decision-making and reduces spending temptation. Savings are not leftovers. Savings are a priority. Build an emergency fund as financial protection. Many beginners save without a clear purpose. The first purpose of saving is not investing or buying assets. It is building an emergency fund. An emergency fund protects you from unexpected situations, such as job loss, medical expenses, vehicle repairs, other urgent needs. The ideal target is 3 months of living expenses if you are single, 6 months of living expenses if you have dependents. This fund must be placed in liquid instruments such as a savings account or short-term deposit, not in high-risk investments. Without an emergency fund, one unexpected event can destabilize your entire financial situation. Control your spending ratio. A healthy financial strategy requires structured allocation. A simple proportional framework you can use is 50% for essential needs, 30% for lifestyle and discretionary spending, 20% for savings and investments. These numbers are flexible, but the principle remains. Your expenses must not consume 100% of your income. If your current expenses exceed 80% of your income, the solution is not justification, it is evaluation and reduction. Discipline in maintaining a healthy spending ratio is the key to long-term financial sustainability. Avoid consumer debt. There is a critical difference between productive debt and consumer debt. Productive debt is used to generate value or income, such as business capital or acquiring appreciating assets. Consumer debt, on the other hand, is used to finance lifestyle, installments for gadgets, credit card spending on non-essential items, or unnecessary upgrades. As a beginner, limit total monthly debt obligations to no more than 30% of your income. Beyond that level, you lose financial flexibility and make it difficult to build savings. Stability is more important than status. Start educating yourself about investing. Once your emergency fund is established and your cash flow is stable, the next step is to understand investing. Savings protect liquidity. Investments grow wealth. Inflation reduces purchasing power every year if money only sits in a regular bank account. Beginners can start learning about instruments such as money market funds for lower risk, government bonds for stable returns, stocks for long-term growth. However, the core principle of investing is understanding risk and maintaining long-term consistency. Avoid the get-rich-quick mindset. Build a rational, gradual strategy. To conclude, building savings is not a matter of luck. It is the result of structure and discipline. Even simple financial strategies become powerful when executed consistently. Start by understanding your cash flow, prioritizing savings, building an emergency fund, controlling expenses, avoiding consumer debt, and continuously improving your financial literacy. Financial health is not defined by how much money you earn, but by how well you control it, and the peace of mind that comes with that control. If you found this video valuable and want to learn more about financial strategies, investing, and wealth management, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next content. I'll see you in the next video.